Julius Sanford.
Banjoy Saroba.
So, in simple word, we can say Kharba's team today have taken over the biggest podium. Guys, they have taken the biggest podium. No. We have to. And we have a nice picture with Mr. Said. Good. Thanks to all our sponsors today, and thank you for stopping. We are happy to see all of you here, especially our volunteers. They are doing a great